drawing in perspective is probably the simplest way to try and draw objects and make them appear three-dimensional. So what I'm going to do here is start off with a very, very simple shape, such as a cube. I'm going to use a ruler for this one, but you can draw these freehand as well. They don't have to be drawn with a ruler. So the simplest form of perspective is one-point perspective. So what you do here, you draw your point. Now you can draw a horizon line if you wish. And then obviously I want you to think about the individual points here. 1, 2, 3. All lines will converge at the vanishing point, which is in the corner here. What I'm going to do is just, with these conjunction lines, which are drawn very, very faintly, these guidelines, join them at the vanishing point. As you can see here. Next thing is just to, now remember, keep the same angle here. That's the basic thing I want you to think about. Same angle here. Okay, and this will then give you your cube in perspective, which you can then draw over here. Now you can also use what we call foreshortening to create the illusion of space and depth by drawing smaller objects behind, using the same process. The rule here is things which appear in the distance will appear smaller, creating that illusion of depth and distance and space. The drawing. At the moment I'm using an HB pencil to create that space, but you can make these objects appear a little bit more complex if you wish to. Take it a stage further. Again, just remembering how these lines should appear. Again, conjunction lines should be drawn very lightly and faintly. Now you just emphasize the form of the object by just making the lines a little bit darker. As you can see here. You can also lean on a piece of paper if you need to at this stage. Okay, so this is 1 point perspective. Obviously the vanishing point is here. and this line here is called your horizon line. And all of your guidelines, which are drawn faintly, will converge and meet at the vanishing point. Remember that objects or forms which appear smaller due to foreshortening will create that sense of space and depth in your drawings, which is what you're looking to achieve.